Hey dear programmers, in this video I'll be giving solution to the programming quiz question number 1. So we have two variables, integer x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2, and we have an expression x minus is equal to y divided by equal to x multiplied by y. So in this expression we can see that we have two equal to operators, which means that we have two separate expressions. So if we divide the expression into two different expressions, we have x is equal to x minus y equal to y divided by x multiplied by y. So the first expression could be y equal to y divided by x multiplied by y, which can be written as y equal to 2 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. 2 divided by 4 will yield the result of 0. And we have multiplied by 2, so 0 multiplied by 2 will yield the result y is equal to 0. So this will be the value of y variable. So now we have other expression x is equal to x minus y. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So the result of x and y variable will be 4 and 0. Hey dear programmers, in this video I'll be giving solution to the programming quiz question number 2. We have two variables, integer sum is equal to 0 and num is equal to 168. So we have a looping statement where num is greater than 0. So 168 is greater than 0, condition is true, and within the loop we have sum plus is equal to num modulus 10, which is sum equal to sum plus num modulus 10. So sum value is equal to 0 plus 168 modulus 10. So sum variable is equal to 8. Then we have num divided by equal to 10. So num is equal to 168 divided by 10, which yields the result num is equal to 16. We'll go back to the condition checking. So now the value of num variable is 16. So 16 is greater than 0. Here we have sum is 8, num is 16, which yields the result 8 plus 6, and sum is equal to 14. In the next statement we have num is 16 divided by 10, which yields the result num is equal to 1. So again we will go back to the looping statement. So the num value is 1 now, 1 is greater than 0, condition is true. So now we have sum is 14, num is 1, which yields the result 14 plus 1. So the value of sum is equal to 15, and num is 1 divided by 10, which yields the result num is equal to 0. And we go back to the looping statement. 0 is greater than 0, condition is false, so the result is 15. Hey dear programmers, in this video I'll be giving solution to the programming quiz question number 3. So we have double D is equal to 5436.78 and we have an integer variable. In the next line we are converting from double D to integer I value. So while converting the value from double to integer, we need to consider few points. Before converting the value of one data type to another data type, you need to consider the memory size of those data types. Integer and float can store 4 bytes of data, whereas long and double can store 8 bytes of data, and decimal can store 16 bytes of data. So the first point that you need to understand is you cannot convert from higher data type to lower data type directly, because when we are storing the value of higher data type into lower data type, they cannot hold the value of higher data type variables. And the second reason is when you convert from higher data type to lower data type, there is a loss of data. For example, in this case, double D variable has 5436.78 value. When you convert that into integer data type, we know that integer cannot hold decimal values, so there will be loss of 0.78 value. So answer for this quiz question is option B, 5436. Hey dear programmers, in this video I will be giving solution to the programming quiz question number 4. Here we have a main method, and within the main I am writing a for looping statement without any initialization, condition checking or increment and decrement steps. But within the for loop I am writing an output statement, do I execute or I don't stop. So in this case, since we are not passing any condition, in C# it will be considered as a true statement, and this statement will execute infinite number of times. So output for this program will be infinite loop execution. But if I write a while loop without any condition check, then this will be a compilation error in C#. Similarly, if you write a do while loop without any condition check, then this will also give the compilation error. So without passing condition checking, it will be true only for looping statement, not for while and do while looping statement. Hey dear programmers, in this video I'll be giving solution to the programming quiz question number 5. In this program we have three variables, first number initialized to 123, second number initialized to 0, and a reminder variable. We have a looping statement and we are checking the condition first number greater than or equal to 1, which is 123 greater than or equal to 1, condition is true. So we enter into the looping statement and we have reminder is equal to first number modulus 10. So reminder is equal to 123 modulus 10, which yields the result 3. And we have next line, second number is equal to second number multiplied by 10 plus reminder, which is second number is equal to 0 multiplied by 10 plus 3, which is the reminder value, which yields the result 3. So the second number value is 3. And we have first number divided by equal to 10, which is nothing but 123 divided by 10 is equal to 12. So the result of first number is 12. Similarly, this loop will continue for 2 more times. Once the condition is false, you will find the value of second number is option 3, 321. Hey dear programmers, in this video I will be giving solution to the programming quiz question number 6. So in this program we have an employee class, and within the employee class we have 3 members, ID, name and salary, which are declared by using different access specifiers. So whenever we create an object in other class, and if we try to access the members of a class, then those can be accessed based on these access specifiers. So whenever we use public, it can be accessed anywhere in the project. Internal access specifier allows you to access anywhere within the assembly. Protected access specifier will allow you to access members within the derived classes, and private access specifier allows you to access the members only within the class. So here we have public, internal and protected. As we know that protected will be accessed only within the derived classes. So solution for this program will be option number 2, only ID and name. Hey dear programmers, in this video I will be giving solution to the programming quiz question number 7. In this program we have an integer variable number initialized to 9 and we are printing an output statement number plus plus divide by 10 and plus plus number divide by 10. So here when we are printing the value number plus plus, in the current step its value will be 9. So 9 divided by 10 will yield the result 0, and by the time we reach this statement the number value has incremented to 10, and again we are incrementing one more time the value of number. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 divided by 10 will yield the result 1. So the output for this program will be 0 and 1. To give better idea, I am printing number plus plus and plus plus number, and I will be commenting this statement. If I go for the execution of this program, you can see number plus plus will yield the result 9 and plus plus number will yield the result 11. So 9 by 10 is 0, 11 by 10 is 1. Hey dear programmers, in this video I will be giving solution to the programming quiz question number 8. In this program we have two variables x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. We have x is equal to x multiplied by y, which means x value is 5 and y value is 10. 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. Next we have x value is 50, y value is 10. So 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. So now the y value is 5. So now in the next line x is equal to x divided by y, which means x value is 50 and y value is 5. So 50 by 5 is equal to 10. So the value of x is 10 and the value of y is 5. So output for this program is D, 10 and 5. Hey dear programmers, in this video I will be giving solution to the programming quiz question number 9. We have a for looping statement. We have I value is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 5 and I plus plus. We have if condition within the looping statement, and we are checking if the I value modulus 2 is equal to 0, then we have to continue the loop without executing this statement, which means we will be executing this loop when the value of I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So whenever the value of I modulus 2 is equal to 0, we should not print the value of I, because we are using a continuous statement which will not execute any statement after the continue. So whenever 0, 2 and 4 values are there, this condition becomes true and we will be doing a continuous statement. So which means we will be printing the value 1, 3 and 5. So the output for this program is option C, 1, 3 and 5. Hey dear programmers, in this video I will be giving solution to the programming quiz question number 10. So we have an integer number variable initialized with an expression. So we have 3 multiplied by 3 written inside the brackets multiplied by 3 divided by 3 plus 5. When you are solving any expression using programming language, you have to solve it using BODMAS rule, which means first you have to solve the expression within the brackets, then solve the expression in the order of roots, then solve the expression using division followed by multiplication, addition and subtraction. So for this expression, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 3 divided by 3 is 1 plus 5, which is 6. 6 multiplied by 9 gives the result 54. So output for this program is option B, 54. That's it for this video. To know more about programming, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.